All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information from Hawaii today about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Well, today we're going to be talking about SafeMoon, what's going on with them. They're down a little bit. I don't know if it's a discount buy, ding, ding, ding. Also, SafeMoon Swap volume has actually reached over 100 million for their new wallet, which is actually fantastic. In 32 days, we're going to kind of dig into that. Check that out. This is going to be big when everybody actually has their wallet. The more and more people that have it, the more and more people are going to know about this coin. And then we're also going to talk about the gas prices. What's going on with the gas prices, the average prices across the country. Some areas are over $5. They're saying it could go to $6. Holy cow. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. As the gas prices keep going higher, you may want to hedge against inflation. They were talking about Bitcoin, how you can use Bitcoin to hedge against inflation. Problem with that is Bitcoin goes up and then Bitcoin goes down and it goes up and it goes down. I like the node projects. I like the drip, the piggy bank. I like those kind of projects. We'll dig into those a little bit later. All right, let's head over to SafeMoon. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, SafeMoon is actually $28.39. It's actually down about 11% right now, so this could be a good discount buy. In the last 24 hours, it's down about 2%. We're going to go ahead and click it here. Now, remember the old site, you can click right here. It actually, SafeMoon has migrated to V2, so make sure when you're checking out the price, you actually check out the right price. It says right here, SafeMoon has been migrated to the new contract address. The old website is right here. All right, over here to the right, there's 2 zeros and 1063, down about 2% in the last 24 hours. 2% in the last 24 hours isn't bad. The last 7 days is actually down about 11%. So we got 11% down in the last 7 days. But we do got some great news here. So let's check this out right here. SafeMoon Swap volume soars to 100 million in just 32 days. Wow, that's pretty big, everybody. It says the SafeMoon ecosystem has been witnessing impeccable growth with the crypto asset, well as SafeMoon Swap. Right there, SafeMoon Swap. The network has been going places, and now SFM Swap has making a big by recording massive volumes. Within a period of 32 days, which is roughly about a month, SafeMoon Swap has managed to secure volumes of about 100 million. SafeMoon's warriors look to tweet to the Twitter to alert the community about the latest achievement. So 32 days, 100 million. That's pretty big, everybody. SafeMoon Swap has hit 100 million volume in 32 days. Take a look at that. Now, if that doesn't give you an indication what the coin's going to do, if more and more people are learning about the SafeMoon and the SafeMoon Swap and SafeMoon V2, what do you think? I mean, how many other cryptocurrencies can say this in 32 days? There's 100 million volume in 32 days. The reason behind this is speculation has been linked to the slew of coins over the last few weeks. The SFM team has been onboarding an array of coins into the platform. Now remember, when they onboard an array of coins, those coins themselves have to fly out. The owners, the board members have to fly out to Utah to do an interview with SafeMoon to be even listed. Because SafeMoon doesn't want to do the rug pulls. They don't want to be connected to things that are bad. You have to do these extra things with SafeMoon to even be listed, which is actually better for the consumer and actually for the market and the integrity of SafeMoon. So I do appreciate SafeMoon for doing this. It does take a little longer, but it's a lot safer. This isn't easy as it sounds. With a rigorous review process in place, only a few made the cut. Did you see that? With a rigorous review process in place, only a few made the cut. The ones that didn't make the cut are basically ones that could be not good for the consumers, not good for SafeMoon's reputation. SafeMoon doesn't want to have one of these things that anybody can get listed, and then all of a sudden they play something funny business, and it makes SafeMoon look bad and makes the consumer look bad. Any token that wishes can be part of SafeMoon Swap. It is required to pass a vetting, sign a contract, and even meet the SafeMoon team face-to-face interview. That's what I'm talking about. They have to fly out to Utah. Any potential listings would occur only after the tokens themselves before the team will reveal their identity. Currently, the platform is entitled promoted coins like Binance Coin, BNB, Wrapped BNB, BSUD, Cardano, Beefy Finance, Pancake Swap, just to name a few. SafeMoon. So right here again, SafeMoon Swap hits 100 million volume in 32 days. That's just gigantic for SafeMoon. SafeMoon Swap volume soars to 100 million. All right, everybody, give us what you think about that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. All right, what about the gas prices here in the United States? Gas prices are soaring. Gas prices are soaring right this second, over $5 in a lot of areas. They're saying it could get to $6 and $7. United States has cut off the oil from Russia. Our oil from Russia was only about 5 to 7%, and the United States is the #1 maker of oil in the world. But they do ship out their oil to other places. A lot of people are saying, why can't we just take care of ourselves here? Let's head over to the article. All right, it says it right here. Gas prices are high and up another 7 cents nationwide. Here's just an average price at each state. The cost of gasoline in the United States has continued to reach an all-time highs. The national average jumped 7 cents Thursday morning. The nationwide average is now $4.32 a gallon, where the average cost, the cost was $4.25. This is the previous high. We're at a high right now. It's saying with inflation, this could be around $5.25. Diesel prices are also at a record high at $5.06. Here's the thing. This is the first time ever the diesel has been over $5. Up nearly 18% from Wednesday to $4.88. Thursday, this is the first time diesel has ever been over $5. Oh my gosh. And then they're saying again with inflation, it could be $6.19. The highest gas prices in the United States right now is California. The price in California is $5.69, and it also remains the only state averaging over $5 at this point. California became the first state to average over $6 a gallon of diesel at $6.21. Holy cow, if you're in California, diesel is $6.21. Gas is still under $4 in 12 states. And they're saying the best state to be living in right now is Kansas. Why are gas prices so high? Russia's invasion of Ukraine remains the largest factor behind the rising prices, as sections of Russia included the country's selling of crude oil, which was one of the biggest factors in determining gas prices. Russia's crude oil only accounts for 3% of the U.S. import, but it is a pivotal role because it produces crude oil that is valuable to U.S. refineries. Again, United States, it says 3% there. I thought I saw somewhere yesterday that said 5 to 7%. The gas prices are up everywhere. Joe Biden's decision to ban U.S. import of Russia energy on Tuesday is expected to result in the price continuing to climb. So get ready for the price to keep going up. Here's what I would say. What are some things you can do to battle this gas prices? Well, at the job you work at, look at the people that work there that live in the same city. You may want to do a carpool that every other day you drive and then I drive. So now you're only driving 3 days to work or 2 days to work. If you have a third person, you can rotate every third day. I heard somebody talk the other day that they're going to drive this week and then their friend's going to drive the next week and the other friend's going to drive the next week. So you have to be strategic. When you're doing your groceries, make sure you get everything for the week in one time. You don't want to go to the grocery store on Monday and then go back on Wednesday and go back on Friday. A lot of people are ordering the groceries to have delivered to their house. That could be a way to save gasoline. You have to be conservative. And then also with gasoline being up, there's also the food prices being up. So food is up, gasoline is up. Sounds like a perfect time to have some cryptocurrency projects that are making you passive income. What are some projects? Node projects, Drip Network. There's all kinds of different things you can do. So, hey, let's head back over. Jumping back over here with the gas prices. Oil prices play a leading role in pushing gas prices higher. Consumers can expect a trend at the pump to continue as long as crude prices climb. So when will the gas prices go down? It is unlikely when the prices will go down, but there is some hope that the cost of oil will drop. So I don't know. I would say hunker in, this and that. Gas prices are here to stay high for a while. Let's head back over to SafeMoon. All right, I'm over here at the SafeMoon's website. And, they say to consolidate the V2 SafeMoon. Everybody should have done that by now, so that's pretty big. A human-focused technology, innovating business, expanding blockchain technology for a brighter tomorrow. SafeMoon Protocol V2 is a community-focused DeFi token that forms part of the expanding SafeMoon ecosystem. Couple things: reflection, LP acquisition, token burn, and of course the growth fund. So there's a lot of good things going on with SafeMoon. Over here at the website, SafeMoon Wallet, the V2 has landed. Download your App Store and Play Store. This is how you can actually migrate your V1 to V2. This has been on there forever. It says right here, Reflex is now listed on SafeMoon. So they were one of the actual ones that just got started with SafeMoon a few weeks ago. It's time for a new SafeMoon listing. Today we're thrilled to announce that Reflex Finance is now on SafeMoon. Hey, SafeMoon Army, welcome Reflex. So again, they passed the audit, they passed all their different things. Not the audit, but they passed all the things that they have to do to get listed. All right, so what's our price prediction on this coin? There's 2 zeros and a 10.59. Well, it's down about 10%. My price prediction is to keep an eye on it right this second. With the uncertainty of what's going on with gas prices, crypto's going down, crypto's going up. You kind of want to pay attention. I'm not a financial planner here. Do all your own research. We're all just friends here. One of the things I think that's interesting is SafeMoon is at 28.37 on CoinMarketCap. And then our good friend Shiba Inu, not Shiba Inu, Satama is right down here listed too. So when I'm doing talks about Satama, and when I'm doing talks about SafeMoon, funny that they're actually on the same page right here. 28.92 is Satama. SafeMoon is actually a little bit above. Satama's down 23% and it bounced back 10%. All right, everybody, 100 million in 32 days for SafeMoon. That's pretty good. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel. All our information is for educational purposes only. Click right here to see our most recent video. And don't forget to click right here about Drip Network. Get 365% on your initial investment, 1% a day. Hey, everybody, we're in Hawaii. Broadcasting. Again, we came out here on a little cryptocurrency income that we actually been accumulating. So cryptocurrency is doing pretty good. We are liking it, and we're actually going to keep talking about it and learning together. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you have a fantastic day.